1. Yeah. $90 and program 1. So that's what it is. We're going to select program. So we're going to select program 2 actually. Quick and cool. Select program E. Is that we have a program here. So synthetics. There's E. Advanced 1. And you know, sort of like an hour. Soak for an hour or so. So program P. But if I go around to A, it's only 1 notch from stop. Buttons. Number 2, Cotton 60. PM. Cycle B, so I just skip through the synthetic side of the dial. Pre-wash, 95, 60. So we start with A. Sorry. So A. You want to change it to program E. When it's the fast spin.
with all the programs around the outside there. Right.
That's my tongue at that noise. Seaside Holidays.
On the final rinse, which is
we've got cotton 90 with pre-wash, cotton 90, cotton 60, cotton 40, just all your regular cycle. Look, even on wool. So it's a bit like the AGs all the time, and the what's the other one we were talking about earlier? AG did it, and oh, a bit like a Hoover Logic too, because if you pressure, right, we're going to want program 5.
Oh, the machine only hits about 80.
Basically, Roger's the king, he sits around
Intensive.
I'll put my camera here at an angle.
But boil wash. Beef and boil wash, no. Oh, I didn't need.
It's a lot more solid now when you turn that, so it's nice. This is our next machine, guys.
Do you want to do it? I'll just set it to short spin. HT. What's that? Half load. Which is a little temperature. Simply push and lock. Weird. Cold. Buttons. What they've done. We have white. Doesn't see options. Stop there.
Right. Machine with this guy. Okay. Economy one. And spin reductions. Load to a pre. Extra wash. I'm not gonna heavy. Said. Come on. There you go. Wash time to an hour. Right. The time. Temperature. Go 3, 2, 1. 16. Go. Right.
we are 40, yeah?
Yes,
5.
very good.
Nothing else.
On program number 1.
60. 1200.
With no spin. So we're going to hit the slow spin and also the super rounds. With no options.
Half load. Wash and oh my god, finish a little sooner. To quick wash.
Nah.
Daily 29. Option.
Maximum. Oh, okay. There's a click from 95 there, and then when you turn to 40, it goes tight around there. It goes from obviously no spin from 400 to 1000 RPM. 100, 750, 650, 500, and so forth. And we'll range up to 600, 500, 400, and then no spin. You can have it anywhere there, degrees, all the way down to no heat. So we've got 95, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and no heat, which at 40 indeed we don't. Because like 900, 700, 500, no spin, and rinse hold. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, and cold. Spin selector here, so we've got 1600, 1200, 1000, 800, 600, 400. Reduce ironing, and then minutes hold. I'm going to select a reduced temperature 60, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, and cold. 5, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, and no heat. And then you can flick it back to 95. If you're not... Alright, I'm going to set that to... Well, I'll just set it to max anyway.
$40 and it'll be an 800 spin because it's on the 40. Set 40 degrees, right the way down to 400, then no spin. Keep that at maximum. I can't imagine it will do 1600 on this quick wash though. On the other side, I've got temperature, which max 80, 70, down in 10s, tap water, max. 40 degrees, 50, 40.
30 degrees. 900, 800, 600, 500, 400, interval spin, or rinse hold.
And going to spin at 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90.
All the way up to 1400, no options. This one maximum is 800 RPM. Set this at 40. It does end with a 1200 spin, all the way around to 90. So I'll put that down to 60 as well. It supposedly does maximum spin speed. It's 40. Again, I will turn it up to maximum speed, but I think it's about 600 for this one.
It's the other way.
This goes no pre-wash is always at 40. So I'll set that. I'll do a 95. Temperature is 40. Spin speed, I'm not too sure what it'll be on this one. Could be 600, but we'll just put it all the way to max.
1000 RPM.
Program F. Either way, We've got your Easy Cares, 60, 50, 40, 30, Delicates 14, 30, Wool's 40, 13 gold, gentle rinsing, starching, pump out, spin and short spin. You've got like Cottons, 95, Economy, that's still in test mode then. Right, turn to Cottons. Right, so we're going to turn to Cotton Intensive program. Looks like Cotton 60 Eco, and it looks like the moisture has eaten it. This is like Daily 44, 90, 20, Cotton 30, Cotton 40, Cotton Eco 40, Cotton 60, Cotton Eco 60, and Cotton Cotton 90. We have two options. One select mix load. Appropriate cycle, which is this shirt size. Right, so program A. I'll show you the programs anyway. So features you get. Anyway, let's just take a look. We on different programs with set temperatures. I would select denim, but for this we're gonna select cotton programs. So we've got cottons, colours, easy care, hand wash.
Anyway.
Other than whatever it was then. Right, go backwards there. It's previous, and then back on again, and it will still register. Ready? So, cotton C, turn. From, say, spin to backwards, sometimes it'll set reset. We've got cottons 9, nothing. Right.
Dead giveaway. We're going to be doing the dark wash program. And synthetics 40. A quick wash today, Express 40, Vario Perfect. So we're using Daily 40. Cold wash, Express 15, which is program 8, using Cottons 90. 13. I have Cotton 60 program dial. This is very stiff for what it should be. To spin. We're having Rapid Plus cottons.
Program 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
with.
I sure am. Right, so in program number 1, to turn the knob around, and we're going to actually do a rinse and spin. A spin ray.
We spin this round to program 6 in this round. No options. Cotton 60. Boop, boop. Right the way around to program 9. That's going to cotton, sorry, minimum line 60. Easy Care 60. Turn the dial all the way around to wool.
Hour and 10 minutes.
Mixed fabric.
And I think it goes up to 90. The fucking cot next to the bed.
Oh.
And
Yeah, that's synthetics 60. Anyway, but we're doing the economy cycle. Oh, it was already on program 9 because I used that yesterday to flash clean. That round to synthetics 60. Down to Easy Care 4. Onto the sneak, but for the sake of the video, let's turn the dial around. Turn this all the way around to wool 30, so it's not wool 4. Turn it around to cottons. Turn that around to A-wash. Turn it round to program 6. Sports. Do cottons 95. Cottons 90.
One spin cycle.